Today we're assembling a minimalist wardrobe. Step 1. Screw all long screws into the wooden board. Number 1 board requires 18 screws. Number 2 wooden board requires 21 long nails. The front side of board number 5 requires 6 long nails, while the back side requires 9 long nails. Piece number 3 requires 3 long nails on the front side and 6 long nails on the back side. Plywood panel number 4 requires 6 long nails. Step 2. We begin assembling the wooden panels. The left side of board number 5 connects to 2 boards numbered 6, while its right side connects to 3 boards numbered 7. Connect the number 4 board to the number 8 board and link them above the cabinet body. Refer to the manual for the direction. Attach the 2 number 10 boards to the number 3 board and join them to the cabinet body. Remember to secure all connection points tightly with the circular clips. Assemble panel 2 first. Then slide the 2 number 11 boards into the grooves along the cabinet body. A white elongated component connects the 2 number 11 boards. Secure the joint with a circular snap fastener. Install the number 9 tie rod wooden board. Place the right side wooden panel number 2 onto the cabinet body. Step 3. Install the cabinet doors. First, attach the hinges to the door panels. Align the cabinet door with the pre-drilled holes on the cabinet body and secure them in place. Secure the internal close rail. If the door gap is too large, you can adjust the screws on the hinges. Note that these are the hinge screws, not the screws securing the door panels. Install the handle. Complete all installations.